Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to install application for your headphones Moto Buds Plus on your Android device. You have to start by open Play Store. Now go to search, click on search line and write Moto Buds. Then search and install the application. Now open it. Got it. Let's go. Hello. 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 And we just did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.